Are we ready?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, gusto ko yung malakas. Birthday to you. Okay, sabay-sabay po. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Kaya! Okay, bago po i-blow ni Kaya ang ating kandila, sabay-sabay po tayo magbilang ng 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Blow your candle! Ayan, okay, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating may birthday. And syempre,